अच्छा ना सकीना, अब थोड़े से जो है ना बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं एंड इट कम्स टू देयर स्कूल गोइंग एज, और मेरा ख्याल है अब जो घर पे भी रहते हैं बच्चे, द बिगेस्ट इशू जो पेरेंट्स फेस कर रहे हैं एज अ पेरेंट माई सेल्फ, दे फील हंग्री लेकिन नाश्ता नहीं करते, दे स्किपिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. So how does skipping breakfast impact them? You know, how important is this meal?
More than an adult, of course, we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But more than an adult, बच्चों के लाइफ में breakfast is very very important because how they perform, उनका concentration levels, it is directly linked to what scores they get in school. So it is that important, you know, to start with, and not only how healthy the food is, the portion. So it has to actually be their biggest meal of the day to get that level of benefits from the breakfast.
हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम. खाना पीना हमारे लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस रखता है, इसलिए आज का एपिसोड बहुत स्पेशल है. और इन द सेंस कि स्कूल खुल गए हैं, बच्चे हमारे वापस चले गए हैं स्कूल्स के लिए. बच्चों के अलावा जो है वो पेरेंट्स के लिए भी ये एक बहुत ट्राइंग टाइम होता है. जब बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, आप उनको इतना सारा दिन के लिए, आप 8 घंटे के लिए बच्चों को जब स्कूल भेजते हैं, तो आप उनके साथ यू वांट टू नो कि वो फिज़िकली कितने एक्टिव हैं. उसके साथ उनको आपने जो लंच बॉक्स पैक करके दिया हुआ है वो कितना न्यूट्रिशियस है. इस मामले में बहुत सारी जो हैं हमारी माएँ, स्पेशली वर्किंग वुमेन, उनके लिए ये एक इशू बन जाता है कि रोज़ बच्चे को क्या दें कि लंच बॉक्स जो है वो वापस भरा हुआ ना आए. इसलिए आज हमने ये स्पेशल एपिसोड रखा है जस्ट टू लेट यू गाइज नो कि व्हाट यू कैन डू एंड हाउ न्यूट्रिशन मैटर्स फॉर अ चाइल्ड. उनके लिए क्या आप पैक करके भी दे सकते हैं फॉर स्कूल, कितनी इम्पोर्टेंस ये चीज़ रखती है. हमारे साथ आज हैं Sakina Zakir. She is a dietitian at Prime Hospital in Dubai, and we'll put all these questions to her. उनसे पूछते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें कैसे मैटर करती हैं. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
कैसी हैं आप?
आई एम फाइन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच. आपने हमें टाइम दिया. दिस इज़ सच एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक और आपने टाइम निकाला. अब आप खुद देखिए, मैं थोड़ा सा जो इंट्रोडक्शन दे रही थी उसमें it's a very trying time for parents, you know.
I'm sure because I myself have 2 kids at home, so yes, I understand.
कि एक स्ट्रगल होती है ना कि मतलब आपने क्या देना है, और फिर आपने अगर हेल्दी देना है उनको, तो तब तो और आपको लगता है कि चॉइसेस लिमिटेड हो गई.
Because you know what, you know, I mean, I'm sure कि as a parent everybody knows कि what is healthy, what is unhealthy, but the main aim here is कि like you said कि tiffin should not come back.
Exactly.
Tiffin वापस नहीं आना चाहिए whole day, you know, because it's a big loss because of the importance, you know, the role the breakfast plays, you know, in a child's life. So that is the main aim कि tiffin वापस नहीं होना चाहिए. So that's really you know, a big challenge for mothers to decide what to keep in the tiffin actually.
अच्छा, आपने बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात की है एक्चुअली ब्रेकफास्ट के हिसाब से. विल कम बैक टू दैट अ लिटिल बिट. हम जो है वो बेसिक से स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ. मैं चाहती हूँ लोगों को पता चले कि इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्दी गुड न्यूट्रिशन जो है वो क्या होती है, स्पेशली इन द लाइफ ऑफ अ चाइल्ड.
See, it is everything. Importance of healthy eating is everything in a child's life because how they grow, उनका डेवलपमेंट कैसे होता है, how you know how they perform in school, how active they are, how they are able to balance between school and play, and very very important कि childhood जो है, healthy eating during childhood has a big role, you know, it has a big impact on the health of an adult. So it is
आपने जो बचपन में खाया होता that is like
lifelong. It is lifelong. You know, there are so many studies जिसने prove किया कि you know, children who eat healthy, when they grow up, तो उनका जो risk होता है for obesity, heart diseases, gut health, उनकी immunity, it is all dependent on how well they ate when they were, you know, young, when during their childhood years. So it's very or you know, the brain development भी हमारा जो first 1,000 year the first 1,000 days of a you know, child's life, right from the time of conception. So the first day starts from the time, you know, of the day of conception till the next 1,000 days is, you know, the most crucial for the brain development. So it really plays a very important role, जो what a child eats during those years.
अच्छा, तो फिर जस्ट कमिंग टू दिस, आपकी के बात को बढ़ाते हुए, व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट न्यूट्रिशन इस इन्हीं डेज में? ज़ाहिर कंसेप्शन की आप बात कर रही हैं, तो इसका मतलब स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द मदर.
Yes, yes.
So the mother has to start eating really healthy. तो इसमें क्या क्या, फॉर एग्जांपल प्रेगनेंसी?
Diet is same for everyone, be it a child or a pregnant mother or an adult. Okay, so you always have to make sure that whenever you're giving a meal to anyone or you are eating, you have to make sure that the food has vitamins, minerals. Does the food have fiber in it? Does the food have healthy carbs in it? Does the food have healthy proteins as well as healthy fat in it? If all these are there in a meal, it means that the food is balanced and it is.
So the same applies to the mother pregnant है या जो उनका बच्चा है या.
Eating will always be, you know, this is like the rule of whenever you're eating your meal, it should have these 6 things.
अच्छा, तो अगर बच्चा छोटा है, मतलब अभी स्कूल गोइंग भी नहीं है, और चले बहुत ज़्यादा वो यू नो बहुत बच्चे पिकी होते हैं एंड चूजी होते हैं, तो उनको किस तरह जो है वो फीड करें? दे हैवंट येट गॉन टू स्कूल, वी हैवंट रीच्ड दैट स्टेज हियर.
Healthy eating will always start very very early. So as a parent, when you are starting the first foods for the child, you should make sure कि sugary foods avoid करना है. Don't give the child a lot of junk.
हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत होता है ना, आपको पता है, चॉकलेट पकड़ा दी खुश करने के लिए या टॉफी दे दी बच्चे को.
जितना ज़्यादा the child is eating that and has gained a liking for that, उतना ज़्यादा they will always stay away from eating vegetables and healthy eating. So you have to make sure that when a child is starting to eat, you are putting in vegetables and healthy foods in the child's diet right from that age, so that the child gets used to that taste. उनके taste buds जो है accustomed हो जाते हैं to those taste. So then it becomes very easy, it becomes a habit from that age. So then later on, of course, there is no way that a child can go through the childhood without having chocolates and chips and all that. But how frequently you give the child, that is very important.
तो अगर हमें रिप्लेस करनी हो, क्योंकि कई दफ़ा बच्चे को जो है ना चुप करवाने के लिए we kind of say okay take a chocolate and आप जो कुछ.
And that is our habit. We have it in our minds that okay, give a chocolate, but a child does not know what a chocolate is on the first day. So the first time you give a child, you can always give
वो अच्छा taste buds develop हो रहा है.
Yeah, you can instead just cut some carrots and give it to the child. You cut some cucumbers and give it to the child. But it's because we have been brought up like that, and it's our environment that the first thing that comes to our mind, because that's our comfort foods as well. So first thing that comes to our mind to comfort them is to give a chocolate. It is psychological.
So basically हम अपने आप को comfort कर रहे होते हैं.
So if we change that and not give a chocolate, instead get used to giving something else, or not necessarily food. Why always food? You can always give something else, like maybe play a game with the child or do something else with the child, instead of keeping food as rewards.
अच्छा ना सकीना, अब थोड़े से जो है ना बच्चे बड़े हो गए हैं एंड इट कम्स टू देयर स्कूल गोइंग एज, और मेरा ख्याल है अब जो घर पे भी रहते हैं बच्चे, द बिगेस्ट इशू जो पेरेंट्स फेस कर रहे हैं, एज अ पेरेंट माई सेल्फ, दे फील हंग्री लेकिन नाश्ता नहीं करते, दे स्किपिंग ब्रेकफास्ट. So how does skipping breakfast impact them? How important is this meal?
More than an adult, of course we all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, but more than an adult, बच्चों के लाइफ में ब्रेकफास्ट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, because how they perform, unka concentration levels, it is directly linked to what scores they get in school. So it is that important, you know, to start with, and not only how healthy the food is, the portion. So it has to actually be their biggest meal of the day to get that level of benefits from the breakfast.
You know, बहुत सारे बच्चे तो skip ही कर देते हैं, they just wake up on time और भाग.
There are challenges like, you know, because that's like bus going kids, like, you know, they have to wake up really early, like more an hour more or 1.5 hour more because of the travel time. So in that case, then you make sure that your lunchbox is quite heavy then, and make sure that the child, you know, sleeps early, so can wake up at least some, you know, thoda subah time hai कि they can have a little bit, maybe a glass of milk, some soaked almonds, something light, though, so that then the child can, you know, sustain until they are उनका जब very, I think 9-10 o'clock they have their main break time, so they can sustain until then, but should never ever send the child hungry to school.
अच्छा, आप पोर्शन की भी बात कर रही थी और ऑब्वियसली आपने बात की कि ब्रेकफास्ट में कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो क्या चीज़ जो है वो बच्चे को देनी चाहिए, अगर कोई आप एग्जांपल्स दे सकें, व्हाट्स द बेस्ट थिंग टू गिव देम इन द मॉर्निंग?
लंच बॉक्स यू से? नहीं,
ब्रेकफास्ट के लिए.
In breakfast, like could be a milkshake, it could be a banana milkshake, या तो strawberry milk, but something very quick, because it is very difficult for the kids to, you know, actually sit at the table and eat so early in the morning. So, or it could be something, it can be something as simple as, you know, जो रात को है, you know, रोटी सब्जी, anything. There's nothing like breakfast में cereals ही होना चाहिए, or something dried. It can be दाल and चावल also in the morning.
अच्छा, हाँ, हम तो बड़े क्विकली सीरियल्स डालते हैं बाउल में.
It can be left over from yesterday's रोटी सब्जी, या तो you just do a रोटी रोल सब्जी के साथ, और एग रोल, सो समथिंग लाइक दैट व्हिच इज वेरी.
बचपन में जो है ना, हमारी मदर हमें पराठा और वो अंडा बना के दिया करती थी, बट इज पराठा रियली हेल्दी?
पराठा इज हेल्दी. सी, वन इज यू कैन मेक श्योर दैट वो घी का है, ओके, इट्स नॉट लाइक डीप वेरी ऑयली नहीं होना चाहिए, लाइक यू इवन इफ यू यूज घी, लाइक यू यूज 1 teaspoon of ghee, not like a tablespoon of ghee. You can make wheat parathas. You can make you have so many flours now, you know, you can make oats का पराठा, you can make oats का जो उत्तपा आता है, you know, you can make like जैसे चीला बनाते हैं, I don't know if but Indians make a lot of chilas. It's like pancakes, it likes pancakes, but like not the sweet ones. So बेसन का, दाल का, so there's dal ka paratha, so leftover dal mixed with the atta, and then you just yeah, so it's very quick also, and it's very healthy.
अच्छा, तो you know बच्चों को जो है क्या कोई certain calories खानी चाहिए, या is it okay for kids to eat as much as they want to?
Not as much as, see, even if they're eating healthy, you have to monitor their weight. If you feel that they're going, you know, they're increasing their weight very rapidly, and they've gained a lot of weight more than what a child of that age, then you need to control, even if the child is only eating healthy. But at the same time, you calories is just an estimate. It's बस वो एक estimate है, but you have to see, it will depend on the child's age, on the child's, you know, height and weight, on the child's activity level. Even gender differences are there between, you know, how much calories you should give. But the most important, I think, is you see your child. A lot of parents complain that the child don't put on weight rather than putting on weight, especially in the younger age. So you have to see whether how's the child's immune. Is the child falling sick very often? Is the child concentrating well in school? Is the child getting like good reasonable scores? The child does not have any performance issues, growing as per their age, active, not getting tired very frequently. So if everything is into place, then weight should not matter, and the child is eating healthy, of course.
और you know, UAE में एक्चुअल में you said कि चलो वेट गेन का भी मसला है, बट जब वेट गेन हो जाता है तो UAE में हमारी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं है ना, तो
and again the availability of food, junk food is very high. Yes, yeah. So you have to control. See, calories, it is very individual. from one obese child to another obese child, the calorie would be very very different. So we cannot, but of course it needs to be customized. Then if for those cases it needs to be, and at the same time we cannot like even crash the under calories, you know, okay, crash diet karwao, or you cut down on the nutrients, because they're still growing, and if we do that they might not even reach their optimal height then.
It's a whole connected
so
thing.
It is very critical to, you know, make sure that the child eats healthy. Exercise levels, we focus more on exercise at that point, you know, okay, the child is burning more, okay, even if the child is not losing weight, but as they grow up in height, they, you know, it balance their height and weight.
तो आई जस्ट थोड़ा सा हट के इन सारी चीज़ों से, सिंस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओबेसिटी एंड जस्ट फॉर पेरेंट्स, अगर लोगों की फैमिली में ओबेसिटी रन करती है, यू नो समथिंग, और उनके बच्चे भी उतने ही जो हैं वो, यू नो, दे आर ओबीस, सो वो क्या करें? फॉर एग्जाम्पल उनके लिए कोई आपके पास गाइडेंस है टू टेल देम?
It is not that if the parents are obese and genetically if the children are obese, then you have to make sure that you're very strict right from the start, you know.
उसमें भी डाइट मैटर करती है?
Yeah, of course, yeah, diet and exercise. And it is not that they can never lose weight just because it is genetic. That they can always, you know, they can always lose weight and reach their normal body weight. So, but it should be started early in life, because the more the weight stays with you, the more difficult will it be for you to lose. So if you know that you are prone, or your child is prone to, then you need to start and be a little bit more, you know, conscious of what the child is eating, his or her habits. Exercise is very very important in children. So at least 1 hour, even irrespective of the weight, 1 hour of daily physical exercise is very important in any child. In Dubai it is difficult. It's difficult because you don't have so many communities that children just cannot go down and play and run on the roads. So it is difficult.
और वैसे भी it's a digital age जो है, they kind of, you know, glued to.
Last 2 years since the schools were also closed, so वो भी बंद हो गया था. Otherwise, you know, they used to go to school and they used to meet, they used to break time, and so yes, yeah.
So basically, I think parents को क्या करना चाहिए? They need to be aware of how their child is eating and what you're feeding your child. So since Sakina हमारे पास हैं, तो we'll keep on asking her कि how we can keep an eye, and और as parents जो हैं हम किस तरीके से guide कर सकते हैं अपने बच्चों को. सकीना, बच्चे स्कूल जाने लग गए हैं, एंड यू नो दैट इज़ द मोस्ट क्रूशल पार्ट. जिस तरह हमने शुरू किया था ऑन 8, अब हमारे लिए रोज़ का मसला है. 5 दिन बच्चों ने स्कूल जाना है, अब हमने टिफ़िन पैक करना है. रोज़ एक जैसी चीज़ अगर हमने दे दी तो वो रोज़ वापस आ जाएगी. और हम बहुत इजीली करते हैं, कभी नगेट्स फ्राई करके दे दिए, कभी कोई फ्राइड चीज़.
Alhamdulillah, but I think कि अभी स्कूल से only they sent a list of food that these are not prohibited. So that is a very very good initiative.
Exactly, you know, एक्चुअल में जो द होल स्टोरी आइडिया अबाउट ये जो हम वीडियो कर रहे हैं, द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ की तरफ से आया था. सो दे कीप ऑन पुशिंग दिस थिंग विच इज़ आई थिंक रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. और द रिस्पॉन्स आई गॉट फ्रॉम पेरेंट्स वॉज कि उन्होंने कहा थैंक यू कि आपने रेसिपी बुक एक हमें दी है, बिकॉज एवरी सिंगल डे हम स्ट्रगल कर रहे होते हैं ये सोचते कि हम क्या हेल्दी पैक करके दें और जो मज़ेदार भी हो, यू नो व्हाट दे लव टू ईट एंड ऑल दैट. तो अब आप बताएंगे कि एक लंच बॉक्स में बच्चे के लिए कितनी कैलोरीज आइडियल हैं जो उनको लेके जानी है, एज के हिसाब से बता दीजिएगा. और दूसरा ये कि ऐसी क्या चीज़ हो सकती है जो हम डेली चेंज करें, जो न्यूट्रिशन भी दें उनको, और उनके टेस्ट बड्स भी मतलब एटलीस्ट देखें तो सही खोल के कि क्या हमें दिया गया है.
See, the main thing is because children usually now with the full day school, they usually pack 2 tiffins. Okay, so one should always be, like I told you, there should always be fiber, vitamins and minerals. So that you get from your fruits and vegetables. So one lunch box should always be fruits and vegetables. So you can do.
वो वाला डब्बा जो वापस आएगा?
No. I am sure. So there has to be the cut up. Whatever the child's favorite fruit is. Some kids don't like banana, so don't give banana. You know, then you opt for apple or any other fruit. Very rarely a child would not have any fruit at all. If not fruits, then dry fruits. You know, you have dried figs, you have dried apricots, but in some sort give them vitamins, minerals and fiber. you can cut carrots, you can cut your julienne usme, you can slice it accordingly so that they look, they look good, they look colorful, and then give it to them. Maybe you can give a little dip, hummus or little bit of sour cream or whatever dip you like, or maybe a little bit of honey ke saath thoda you can give, so something that they'll like and they'll enjoy eating, because it's crunchy also at the same time. The other box, which is supposed to be a little bit heavy, then that has to be something like baked spring rolls or wraps. Yeah, it can be chicken wraps or vegetable wraps or sandwiches, so you can also make smoothies for them and send maybe in the bottle or something. Yeah, yogurt smoothies hai, milkshake ke saath, and add a little bit oats to it and blend it well and give it to them. So yes, so something colorful. You can add strawberries, blueberries, so one day it's pink, one day it's blue, so
also that keeps them going and all.
One thing that really is good, like I myself I've like, because I've been also researching, okay, so like keeping a chit in their lunchbox every day, some good note, so they're like excited, what mama has written today. Yes, yeah,
that's a good way to,
that really helps them at least open the lunchbox. Yeah,
that's interesting. And वो ये सोचते होंगे हाँ आज मामा ने क्या किया. I used to do the same actually with my kids. You reminded me of that. अब तो बच्चे मेरे बड़े हो गए. That stage is gone, but that is one way to keep them
excited. They have that in mind, that something mama has kept, so they want to, I look forward to opening the lunch box.
मिल्क शेक के अलावा भी क्या दे सकते हैं, अगर मतलब हम बेवरेजेस में बात करें या ड्रिंक्स में?
योगर्ट स्मूदीज बना के दे सकते हो. सो योगर्ट है, देन यू put one fruit, you add some nuts in that, powdered, जैसे वो बादाम पिस्ता का, you have powdered in the house, you can just put one scoop of that, so it becomes healthy fat, it becomes fiber, it gets you proteins, it gets you carbs, it's like a complete meal.
अच्छा, अब कैन यू जस्ट टेल द पेरेंट्स कि जंक फूड क्या होता है और वो उसका नुकसान क्या होता है, और अगर आइडेंटिफाई भी कर सकें, और व्हाई वी शुड अवॉइड इट?
Okay, so why we should avoid it, of course, like we said, कि early childhood nutrition is so important right now, and it determines how healthy they are as an adult, also their brain development. So even performance as an adult depends on what you've been eating while you are while you're going through that childhood phase. So, and junk food is not only that it is high carb, that's why we are saying no. These are very highly processed foods, so apart from the macronutrients, which is not in the right proportion, you get poor quality of nutrition, you get poor quality of fats, you get poor quality of proteins, because you see the chicken that you get right now is not like, it's not always farm fed, and especially when you buy from outside, it is hormone injected. You injected with so many antibiotics to keep them sickness free. So the quality of the food that is being used in these junk foods are very poor, and that would affect them, like that would create more and more toxic load on their small systems, which is going to cause negative effects.
तो जंक फूड से क्या आइडेंटिफाई होता है? जैसे बर्गर्स हो गए,
पिज़्ज़ाज़ है, शुगरी फूड्स है, जो बॉटल ड्रिंक्स है, फिजी ड्रिंक्स है, like when you go to the cinemas, it's like everything upsize, the portion, American restaurants, when you go, the portions also so huge, so even it's like I told you, it is not possible for a child to just let go everything. It's a part of our childhood, so once in a while is okay, but on a regular basis, like giving them nuggets on a regular, because just say sham ko, like you have to give them something to eat in the evening, because when the child returns from school, they're very hungry in the evening, so like they like fry nuggets and give. वो जो like frozen packets आते हैं, the potato chips, the frozen ones, so all these would be considered as junk, because these are not natural, they are not made at home, and they don't have fresh ingredients. So anything that has these not natural, they're not made freshly and not made at home and not using fresh ingredients, then they'll all be considered or come in the category of junk food.
यहाँ पे बड़ी lifestyle थोड़ा fast है. It's very difficult for mothers to actually make everything, working mothers, बहुत सारी ख़वातीन काम कर रही होती हैं, so it's very difficult for them to कि घर में जो है वो चीज़ fresh बना के दें बच्चों को. और
now with we have air fryers, okay, so if the child is like you can fry it in the air fryer. You can always pre-prepare things in advance on the weekend and then just store it in the fridge. Just even chapatis, so you can just pre-prepare chapatis and just thoda sa kacha paka bake karke you freeze it, and then on time you just 5 minutes you bake it, because even chapati is something very difficult for a mother to make on a daily basis. So you do that and you store it in the freezer, and then it's like good for 2-3 weeks.
अच्छा, that's a brilliant tip. I think what you're saying is कि weekend के ऊपर आधा काम करके रख लिया and then just use it.
You can make it at home, you can just slice, and you can do a little bit of stir fry and then freeze it, and then on time you can just put it in the air fryer or just stir fry or pan fry it a little bit, and you can give it to the kids.
ठीक है सकीना, अब we just short and sweet ही रखना चाहते हैं, बहुत बड़ा नहीं, but still just before we wind up, देखिए हमें शुगर के नुकसान तो बहुत पता है, शुगरी ड्रिंक से हमारे दांत, हमारे लिए मोटापा, obesity, everything, but and we keep on talking about sugar a lot. What we don't talk about is salt, क्योंकि ये जो सारे जंक फूड्स हैं उनमें भी हिडन बहुत हाई है इन सोडियम एंड ऑल दैट. उसका क्या नुकसान होता है फॉर किड्स, एंड कौन से ऐसे फूड्स हैं जो हम आइडेंटिफाई कर लें कि इसमें नमक की मिकदार बहुत ज़्यादा है?
All junk foods, जितने भी junk foods है, to make them very to make them very tasty, there is salt. Plus salt is a preservative, तो जो भी processed packed foods है, they will always have salt in it. So the consumption of salt goes very high, which in abhi nahi, not in the childhood, but once once your child starts growing and adulthood, they could have issues with cardiac health, because of consuming so much of processed food.
Blood pressure के भी issues होते हैं.
Blood pressure, there's a lot of water retention with that, because weight gain because of that. So it's never one thing. See, it will never be sugar. If you have one sachet of sugar on a daily basis, you are not going to get a heart disease or become obese. But it's always a combination. Like when you have junk food, it is a combination of everything. It is always your overall diet. So most of the kids, they tend to have one chocolate a day, which is, I think, that should not be, but to an extent it would be okay. But if it is combined with then these unhealthy snacks and then not eating properly for breakfast, and all these combinations then add up to big things. So 90% you have to make. You can never make sure that it's 100%.
It's also a good idea to actually read the nutrients before you're buying something. उसके ऊपर आप पढ़ लें कि sugar कितना content है, salt का क्या content है, and all that.
But as much as possible, try to stay away from anything that's boxed. Yeah. Though it's not convenient, yes, it is not convenient, but it's not impossible also, because if you be a little bit proactive, like I said, over the weekends and all, आप थोड़ा सा pre-prepare कर दो, it runs very smoothly throughout the week.
ठीक है सकीना, जस्ट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. अब आप हमें सिर्फ ये बता दें कि आज का जो लंच बॉक्स है हमारे एक बच्चे के लिए, समझें कि जो है वो क्लास ही इज़ अ 10-year-old और समथिंग, उनके लिए आइडियल एक मदर क्या पैक करे आज के लंच बॉक्स के लिए?
So like I told you, there should be one lunch box जिसमें fruits हो. Okay, the second lunch box could be a sandwich, थोड़े carrot sticks, a little bit hummus on the side. Sandwich could be either egg or chicken, or it can be vegetable. Agar the dip is hummus, you're getting the proteins from that as well. So this should be, ya to fir instead of sandwich, then you can make wraps, or you can make rolls, or jaise maine kaha baked spring rolls hai. So you keep changing the main course, but there has to be some vegetable and some sort of dip to make it a little bit more moist. The food should not be like very dry. Yes.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच कि आपने हमें टाइम दिया। एंड आई थिंक इतनी बेसिक हमने बातें की, लेकिन जो है वो टिप्स दे दिए फॉर पीपल दैट यू नो इफ़ दे रियली वांट टू पिक अप, इट्स वेरी इजी टू डू इट। सो इट्स जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ लाइफस्टाइल का चेंज, थोड़ा सा जो है वो लाइफस्टाइल चेंज करना है।
I think even the menu, if you know that what your kids tend to like to eat, and then you set like a week's menu, it becomes very easy for you to, yes, because the main challenge is to decide what to give the next day. वो रात को हमेशा that tension is there, you know. So if you
आज पकाने वाला भी क्या चक्कर है।
yes, yeah.
So जी आपने सुना, we had a short talk with Sakina और she's given really good tips, especially for women जो कि time management कर रही होती हैं। आप पहले से plan कर सकते हैं, you can work on a weekend, थोड़ा कच्चा पक्का खाना बना लें। और एक और चीज़ बहुत important ये है कि अगर तो आपको ज़रूरत पड़े बाहर से ख़रीदने की, अव्वल तो उन्होंने कहा है कि अवॉइड ऑल काइंड ऑफ जंक फूड विच इज़ इन वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट, लेकिन अगर ज़ाहिर है वीकेंड आते हैं, वी लेट आवर सेल्स डाउन, वी लेट आवर हेयर डाउन, और बच्चे जो हैं ज़िद भी करते हैं। और जब आप कोई ख़रीदारी कर रहे हैं, रीड द न्यूट्रिशन ऑन द बॉक्स एंड बी अवेयर कि आपको शुगर कितनी देनी है, सॉल्ट कितना खाना चाहिए बच्चे को। सो जस्ट बी अवेयर एंड रीड अप। यहाँ पे हमने बहुत बेसिक बातें की हैं और टिप्स दिए हैं। इस वीडियो में आपको रेसिपीज़ भी मिलेंगी हेल्दी, जस्ट टू गिव यू एन आइडिया, जस्ट टू वो, ताकि आप एक काइंड ऑफ अपने लिए टाइम टेबल बना लें कि इस दिन में मैं ये दूँगी। इट मेक्स वर्क लिटिल ईजियर। सो दिस इज़ अ वेरी वाइड टॉपिक, लेकिन हमने इसको स्क्वीज़ करके जो है वो बच्चों पे लेकर आए हैं। वील कीप ऑन टॉकिंग अबाउट द हेल्थ ऑफ अदर्स एज वेल, वुमेन और मेन एंड ऑल दैट। आज के बच्चे कल के जो है वो जवान बनने हैं, तो दे नीड टू बी हेल्दियर। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, अंटिल नेक्स्ट टाइम, अल्लाह हाफिज़।